The purge has begun. Villains destroying Roblox games. Extremely dangerous. Keep doors locked and windows closed. Their leader, Scary Larry. Okay, hey you guys, we're gonna play adult this time. So, Agent of EGG. So this one. So we're doing the egg hunt for break-in. So I did a lot. Man, this music is really loud. My God. Okay, so we're at the new house. How do I turn down the volume on this? Cause this is really loud. Oh, here. Okay, there. Mute though. You do when it gets loud, then sure I'll. So anyway, so we're gonna play Break-In the Easter ending, a Roblox story game. Yeah. Okay, so hello, welcome to your new home. Thanks for the apple. I'm just gonna look at they're a snack, restore energy. Yeah. Aha, Bloxy Cola. No, give me the Bloxy Cola. Oh my God. Finally! No, get off the toilet, man. My God, it took so many years. Oh, cookie. No, but get off the bed. Oh, dollar, money. Okay, got some money. Okay, let's just... Aha, apple. No, what are you doing? These people aren't even getting the apples or anything, man. Whoa, what the heck is this? Whoa, it's an egg! Oh my God, everyone is out here? Or is this just robots or something? Oh, so we can go outside. Wow. Okay, so we can go to Blocky Mart. Wow, this is just... Who's this guy? Why is he yelling or something? Hey buddy, chili, whatever. Hello everybody, I'm the medkit guy. Oh, very low. Whoa. There. Oh man. You were help me with the ice unless you want to be paddled. What? Oh my God. You welcome. Someone is at the door. Answer it. Of course you answer it. Answer the door. Oh yay, legend. Yay, I opened it. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I ate, but still have like little. Okay, 38 seconds. Wait, what? What the heck? Oh man, what happened to the lights? Okay, breaking news. Let's do it, because this is the egg hunt, so it's probably... Who's low? Oh wait, I'm low. How do I do it on myself? I can't do it on myself? Are you kidding me? How do I do it on myself? Okay, one. Come on, what happened? What is it with that? Oh, you can skip it, actually. I just want to see if it's like a new... This is really scary. Okay, so I kind of skipped to this. Because that is just scary. Let's hope that he doesn't come in the green room. Because I only have a med kit. I have no weapons. What the heck? Oh, I have no weapons. Oh my God. I'm gonna die for sure. Please no, please no, please no. Are you kidding me? Help us! Who has the bat? Who has the darn bat? Who has the darn bat? Who the heck has the bat? He's beating us up! Who has the bat? Help me! Help! You can't sleep right now. I don't care. I don't care. Oh my god. This is so. I'm on low energy. This is so mean. Okay, guys. So we boarded up the windows. Got a weapon. We found the basement. Oh, got a cookie. Did the most. Hey. Okay, let's go up and get this ending. What's happening? Okay, so I got a rake. Looks like. Okay. Oh my god. We gotta protect our friends. This is really scary, you guys. I don't really want to play this. This is actually really scary. Just the noise. Oh my god. But they're doing like a lot of things. Okay, so I'm gonna eat an apple. Okay, there. Nope. Psych, 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 psych. No, 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 no. Please, please, please. Let go of me, let go of me, let go of me. Oh, I forgot. I have the weapon. Yeah, yeah. I forgot I have the weapon. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay, I am really low health right now. It's actually not really that low health. Get outside. Ugh. Okay, it's Scary Larry. Gotta hide. Yeah, come on, hide in here. Hide in the closet. I'm not really like to, cause the limit for this recording is 15 minutes, so I'm not really recording that much of me. I mean, I already played this before, so. Oh my god. Go upstairs. Oh my god, he's right there. He's just a wind-up toy. Why are we so scared of him? Oh, there's a Bloxy Cola. I want to go and get the Bloxy Cola. How do I get the Bloxy Cola? I can't reach from here. He has gone upstairs. Okay, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Well, let me just get a Bloxy Cola first. Aha. Got a Bloxy Cola. Okay, go, 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 go. Go downstairs, go downstairs, go downstairs. Okay, we're in the basement. Yeah. And I died. Are you kidding me? Oh, thanks a lot, people. Okay, let's not die this time. Okay, you guys, now it's the Easter ending. Okay, so we're right over here. Oh, I need a rake. Something feels wrong. Wait, weren't we supposed to do this earlier? Ah, there we go. Share the weapons, you know. Yeah, I just got one, man. Okay, so the Easter ending and break-in. Oh my. No, no. Oh, it's the deviled egg. Oh no. Nice music. If you're damaging enough. Oh yeah. I got full energy, so I'm not worried. Dodge the bombs. Oh boy. Holy. Ah, no, 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 no. Oh my god. Survive, you guys. You gotta survive. Katrina. Okay, hit the egg. Hit the egg. Ugh. Okay, come on, go, go, go. What? Oh, no, no, no. I hear lava. Oh, boy. Yes, I made it. Come on, you guys. Okay, good thing. Get up, get up. No, the adult. Get up, get. Oh, he just got up. Phew. That was so close. Okay, he's the medkit guy. Okay, good. No! Help! Help! You guys, help! Help me! Help! I'm right here! Oh my god, I'm right here! Oh, finally, thank you! Oh, dodge out of the way? What do you mean, dodge out of the way? Oh! What the heck? Oh my... That is just... Oh my god! Okay, better eat. Oh, 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 this guy. No! Why'd you fall? Oh, no, 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 ow. 25 damage. Phew. We're so close. Yes. Wait, no, 3. Get. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We did it. Yes, the egg is hurt. Yes, we did it. We did it. We got the ending. We got. Wait, is that all? Yeah, we got the ending. The brain freeze egg. Yes. Yes. We got the egg, you guys. Even though it took 2 rounds to do, we got the egg. Thank thank you guys for watching. Wait, what? That was weird. Wait, what? We're back. Oh. So I'm guessing that that's not the one. We should we'll have to spend the night. Wait, what's happening? What do you mean? Wait, there are literally 3 of us. What do you mean? What do you mean? I thought it was just the end. Wait, what? Oh, okay, thank God. What? I thought we did it already. Wait, so I'm guessing that we didn't? Okay, so I got full health. So we didn't do it? We did it. So now we have to finish. Okay. Okay. So we're defeating Scare Larry. So technically, I'm up to here. Go, 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 go. Okay, so you are next. Oh my god, that house. Come! Okay, there. Come. Okay, where are you? Okay, let's go. The sewer is flooded. Oh boy, I gotta save Shark Man before he dies. Okay, I healed this guy. The thing is, I have to be healed, man. What? Where are the squares? Come. Okay, here comes the scary part. Oh man. Help us. I'm on low energy. I'm on. Wait. Oh my god, he's right there. Don't hit him. Buddy, don't hit him. What the heck? Oh, what the heck? Oh my god, is there some kind of earthquake? Hello. My name is Scary Larry. And I will kill you. And until now, you've been playing easy mode. Luckily for you, it's about to change. Time to die. Okay. Okay, so you guys, you can wait here 2 to 3 minutes. lobby. Okay, so we did the Easter egg. That was best. Bye, guys. Subscribe and like.